Why pre, why chop, wall go on, it's your boy Singh Zima back with another banger video, and today we're here with Rachel Exhibit, my beautiful mother, and today we're going to find out who Singh Zima is from my mother's perspective. I'm not allowed to really say anything. This is kind of your video, but it's
guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we go on, my mom always have things. My lipstick on my teeth.
Yeah.
It gone? Yeah. I was actually trying to look good for you guys, you know. Guys, welcome back to my channel on Singh Zima channel. Yes. Me run things today. Me are the star of the show.
Yeah, she's the star.
So you guys ask the questions that I know that you wanted to know about Singh Zima, and I've got the scoop for y'all. So you know to just stay tuned. And then this is where my intro come in.
You want to put your intro?
Of course.
Okay. Alright. Okay, so you know how this.
I'm just gonna get right into it.
Yeah,
now.
you know how this goes. I ask you questions and you give your honest opinion on them. If you want to have a discussion, then you can ask my opinion, but try your best to be as descriptive as possible. You know, to make them know how it really is.
Are you hearing?
Okay, so. The first question is, how does he eat regularly at home? Messy or neatly? In terms of how I eat.
Answer? Question and answer? So the answers are there, just choose one.
No. The question is there. You just answer. How do I eat? Messy or neat? Like how?
Him eat kind of almost tushish. Yeah. You eat neat.
Tush is the first descriptive word you could say?
Yeah, you eat neat. I don't want to say sushi. You eat like me, you know, like you watch me eat. Like you take your time and you chew. But one thing though, your face makeup. Like you have a serious face right. Like yeah, your expression just like serious. Yeah. But you eat neat and nice and you can go out for dinner. Yeah. Girls can take him out and grow good.
Take me out. Am I wild?
Wild like an animal, kind of wild. Personality, kind of wild.
I guess.
What do you mean?
However you want to take it.
It's a guy or girl? It depends on
It's a girl.
Oh, so if it's a girl, answer that. I know exactly what you're asking. If it's like enough woman, right? Yeah, and that them mean. You never know.
Okay, but
so on the way, I must tell them.
That is your business, you know.
He has a wild personality.
A personality.
Yeah. So the answer is yes. He's got a wild. Why are you trying to emphasize on the personality? I don't need help. He has a wild personality, so outgoing. Next time ask the question good, I'm not gonna help you. I know the question, I know what you're really asking, but next time ask it good. Next.
Do you motivate me to do schoolwork more or my YouTube career?
I motivate you equally. Because I think he can win at both things actually. So I'm like motivating him with his videos and whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna post it up and motivate him, encourage him with him channel and help him promote the channel and equally for school. So there's a balance, you know. So he can win at anything. He can win at YouTubing. He can win at schoolwork. He doesn't have to choose. Just live.
I think that's the thing that people don't understand is like you don't motivate me to do anything specifically and you don't force me to do anything specifically. And I've said it many times on my channel.
Yeah, but no, I say it.
Yeah, so she do it. Anything I'm doing, she supports. My merch, she buy my t-shirt. Come on, anything.
Not anything, but you always come with good things. So it's not. It's never anything bad.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm gonna sing to my shirt. Anything, the shirt. I'm gonna sing to my shirt or my. Everybody know at work I wear my Singh Zima mask right through. Right through.
Period. Okay, how much of a troubled child am I?
Oh God, he's such a sweetheart, you know. He gives me no trouble, even now, no trouble. I think my blessed, fortunate, like no problem. In school, well, there was this one time still when Arden called me still, you know. And what they reported, I was like, should I tell them?
Yeah, you can.
No, we can't tell them. That's
you can't.
Another vlog.
No, it's fine.
It's another video.
Okay, a whole different story time.
There was this one time, but you weren't really the instigator. I know he was being used. because I don't know if you guys know this, but he's always been popular. As a matter of fact, when he was leaving Arden, he won the award for the most popular student in the school. I'm like, huh? You? The most popular student in the entire school, until him show me the trophy and Mr. say real. Couldn't believe. So because he was popular, there were these bad guys, who tried to get him involved. So when I got the call from the school, I was like, no, something wrong. But then when I actually got the story, even not really bad enough. But you have bad people who will come at you because you have the audience, you know?
The middleman type.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not a trouble child. It's just a couple situations.
No, he's not. He's such a sweetheart. I'm telling you.
See, guys,
honest
I don't
to God, I'm a complain, I'm wicked.
Is he a mama's boy?
No, I'm not a mama's boy. But he has high regards for women in general, and he respects the women in his family, especially. Him treat all of it like queen. From him grandmother come right up. Very loving, very respectful. I'm going off tangent. I feel like I'm preaching.
No, you can't.
What was the question again?
Am I a mama's boy?
No, he's not a mama's boy. No, I don't.
Alright, so
you think you're a mama's boy?
I wouldn't think so. But I think I guess because I talk about it, a lot of them feel like that. But
him is far from a mama's boy. He's like everybody's boy.
No, don't say that. But okay.
When I say everybody, I mean
I get you. Yeah, for real.
On the social side, you know, you do.
I'm out and about and I'm inside as well and everything.
You only want to know me good, yeah. Mom's
okay, alright. So this stuff not to do with this, but like, if I had a girlfriend / wife or whatever, and I were to pick the two of you
Is
up.
that a question from
No.
You're just asking me.
Would you want to sit in the back seat or the front seat, or it don't matter?
It don't matter.
Okay.
Back or front. Me not have insecurity issues, and I hope she don't.
What was raising Singh like for you?
Raising him. That's very broad.
Yeah, that's the point. I guess
right?
can tell the story.
So, raising Singh is like raising a modern day adventurous, outgoing, fun-loving child who don't get no problem. I don't know how else to explain it.
So it was easy. It was an easy process.
It used to always be in game and computer. So it's not like you used to go missing. You know, some parents have problem with their boy children. I never had that problem with him. So it was fun raising him. It was almost like I could do a lot of things with him, and he used to like the hotels a lot. Like literally love the hotels.
Beach black.
From morning till night, it's pool right through. Pool right through. So he's very good at swimming too. Very good swimmer. He was very active in school. He was on the swim team. You never played football, really?
I'd played it in lunchtime, but I didn't care for it.
Not as a sport.
Yeah, I didn't care for it.
But it was very easy. It still is. Me still a raise him. Yeah, me still in charge.
Okay, so it was an easy process, no real trouble, whatever.
No problem.
When did I stop peeing the bed?
Long enough that I can't even remember. Maybe 5. Maybe like 1 or 2 times you still we were at 5
okay.
or 4.
But okay, all right.
But you never really like piss bed right through. Like.
I get you. Okay. What are you most proud of about me?
They want to know that? I am proud that he has completed. It's not tertiary. That what you call that now?
Tertiary or secondary, I think.
He finished high school with like about 19 subjects. I know he doesn't talk about that a lot, but he's brighter than star. Yeah, whole heap of subject him have.
And
it's
a lot of ones.
Get to him no hype, you know, and whole heap of one. Yeah, plenty one.
Don't let the YouTube and Instagram fool you.
That was like the proudest moment for me when I got those. The 60 results. I see me jump on my scream, so damn.
And then Cape make it
proud
worse.
book, and then you did 6th
Cape,
form and you mash up 6th form. You say, the boy is so bright and sweet.
Oh boy, so it's high school, just.
It would definitely high school. Definitely high school. And then outside of the academics, I think his personality again. his high regard for women and the respect that he shows and love for women is very admirable. I don't think I taught him that really. Maybe indirectly.
Indirectly, probably. I don't know.
But yeah, it's a win-win. So he has the soft skills and he has the academia, and then he's on the creative side of things.
Multifaceted type.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well-rounded.
Do you think Singh is loyal?
Loyal to his
Partner.
That's an irrelevant question. No.
In this day and age.
Irrelevant. No, what? For Singh? Because you guys are from the same age group. Well, most of you viewers that watch him.
18 to 24.
Hey, young. When you say loyal, what do you mean? Explain.
Yeah, so there's no
need.
To
friends, no. You're not loyal to nobody right now.
Period.
You need a friend, girl, man, woman. You know, as things go along and he can assess them, he'll make his decision. I mean, loyalty. Oh, please.
Okay. What's your advice to a girl that wants to get involved with Singh?
Get involved in a relationship.
Or like or talk or whatever.
Don't try it. Don't try to. Don't
force
try
yourself
to be in a relationship with him. If you want to be in a relationship, stay low key. Just be a normal self. Yeah. Don't try. Don't inbox him. Don't try to be seen. Don't try to be popular.
Just go and hold the corner. If I link you, mommy know.
Spin the wheel, and if it stopped there.
Okay. Do you think Singh is an alcoholic?
No. Do you think you're an alcoholic?
I guess because my thing is.
You know what an alcoholic is?
No, that's what I'm saying. they misconceptualize it because I would mainly drink on Fridays or Saturdays. But I'll post it and they'll see me drinking. So they think that I drink every single day.
No, that's like me, because and this is the thing, guys, you know.
Social media really make people think.
I know it's hard because that's what you see. But to answer the question, no, he's alcoholic.
Very far.
Alcoholics can't perform and nothing.
Social media really I only show what I want to show, you know. And I mean, I enjoy drinking. I enjoy having a good time with my friends. I enjoy drinking with you.
Socially.
Yeah, you know? I'm not going to just get up and just chug a bottle. So the question
is, if you're an alcoholic, that cannot be a real question.
What did you find nasty that he did as a baby? That I did as a baby?
No, babies can be nasty. So that's the first thing. So I don't think I've ever found anything that he did was nasty. No, other than maybe rubbing your belly with the toilet water.
What? What? For real?
But maybe that's not you. Maybe that's my sister. I don't remember.
Okay. What's the worst lie I've told you?
Can't really remember. You're not really telling a lie. Like, you can tell it to tell it good.
So you wouldn't even know.
The worst lie? You tell white lie, no, most, because I will not sit here and say, you never tell me a lie. I know you will tell me a lie, but I can't recall
of anything.
A very bad thing. You never get bust by your lie, then you lie good. So I don't know if it's good, I don't know if it's bad, but you lie good.
Okay. Do you really think Singh is a virgin?
Listen, at this stage right here, so now, I still a pray out. Say maybe, just maybe, I cannot let it go. Okay. But today, 20 years later, why I get them?
Is Singh your real name?
Yeah, it's his real name.
My first or my last name?
You never asked that. What's your name? Sing your real name.
Okay. Alright. Is he lazy?
No, he's not. But he's very selective. You know, he'll do some things very, very, very good, and he'll just eat and leave everything on the plate. He will see the plate, the sink empty, and leave one plate. And then the next time, he'll take on the whole house and still not wash the plate. I'm like, are you kidding me? He said, you never wash the plate. He will clean the entire house house and still leave the place. No, that's a problem. Call it selective cleaning.
Okay.
Selective.
Were you at all scared about Singh being in the public eye like I am now?
You kind of in the public light.
But
You kind of grow on me. You know, this YouTube thing is really, really, because you know, I'm not into putting my nothing out there, whether piece of my life or part of my life or none at all, because I was never one that needed social validation. And so when he started to do it, I'm like, all right. But then it was a gradual process. So over time, it kind of grown me to the point where I can actually sit and be in a video.
Like now.
I cannot believe it. Actually, you know.
She usually hate being in videos. Yep.
Yeah, I just, I don't know, but I guess it's a business.
In some way.
It's a business for you. I kind of think.
Yeah. No. Yeah, man.
And I mean, from that perspective, you know, I will put out the support for business, social media, YouTube, whatever it is. My support is strong. Social, no. Care zero. Opinions of others.
Same. Alright, wait, do you think I seek validation socially?
I think you do it, I think from a business perspective. And I've never ever seen you seeking it from a personal perspective. Like, when people like me, or you're full of confidence then. Meaning like you couldn't care what people like or think or do or comment or not personally. But on the business side, I think it's because you take it serious. It matters to you that your videos get seen, and it matters to you that it's shared, and it because you take the business serious.
Okay, but the business aspect, but socially
I don't see it.
Okay, yeah. I'm like you. I don't care. Yeah, like that's why I can post anything on my story and it doesn't bother me. You know, some people can only post like them best self or like the perfect selfie.
Right.
I couldn't care zero. I could just wake up and post or whatever the case is. So
that's a lot of questions.
Yep. Does Zima smoke?
I hope you're not smoking though.
I smoke, but I'm not a smoker. If that makes any sense.
Try it out.
I mean, so like if I go out 1 and 2 times, you know, but I'm not going to. I've never bought weed for myself.
Okay.
I've never. What did I say? Yeah, I've never bought weed for myself. I've never went out of my way.
I mean, never really
to get
smell
weed.
it on you or see any signs that you're smoking.
Smoke. Yeah. I'm more of a drinker person, but like if we're in an area and we're vibing or whatever, and I feel like smoking, I'll smoke. But otherwise, if I don't want to, I'm not going to.
You know that insurance rates you higher when you smoke, even if you take a drug, because it's stay in the system for 30 days or even longer. Yeah.
Oh, so then okay.
So then, as of now, you might be uninsurable. Isn't that sad?
No, but I don't. I mean, so then I just know. So when I get by my policy, I just don't smoke for like 2 months.
Next.
What was your reaction towards your son becoming a YouTuber?
As I said, it never started out that way. Everything just like him. For me, because he's in my space, he's in my life. It was a gradual thing. It wasn't he's a YouTuber until one day, just recently, I went on the road with him and I could not walk very long in peace. I was saying, this is weird because I'm accustomed to doing stuff with him, but I'm not accustomed to people like, hey, Singh, what Singh? I'm like, what? What is this? It's just like recently, I'm like, all right.
It's serious.
So I'm a celebrity son. I mean, like, can you go anywhere in, like, you know, so.
I mean, the thing is, though, nobody bothers me. It's more like, oh, yo, you're the guy that does YouTube. It's never like a, oh my gosh type freaking out thing. So I think because of how comfortable people feel to ask me something or to say something, like even when I went to the supermarket the other day and I got pancakes. Remember when he asked me to get pancakes? I got pancakes, and even before I was like popular or whatever, I used to always like interact with people like, yo, how was your day? Like, how you doing? Yeah, you see me? So that day now, the lady, the cashier was like, yo, this is the only thing you're getting? Because I just got pancakes. And then the guy who was packing the bags was trying to force it into the small box. He's like, yo, bad man, you don't have to stress out yourself. Like, there's no need for you to do all of that. Just give it to me as is. I walk and say, oh, you're not doing no videos today? She was like, oh, him no, sir. You see me, him no. So I was like, nah, bro, I'm just getting something from my brother, and then I might film something later or whatever. So, I think because of how natural the conversations are, because I usually initiate them, it doesn't feel like any way. You know, it feels normal to me. It's just that they actually know who I am. Should someone have a house before a child?
How much more question leave? I'm a Ted. A house
Before
First
a
of
child.
all I need is a sperm to have a baby, so that's easy. Not hard. The house may take a little longer, so it's a matter of choice. If you want a baby before you buy the house,
That is your business.
you have the baby before you buy the house. If you want a house before you, I mean, it's a personal choice, but one is definitely easier. Definitely easier.
Have you ever caught your son drunk before? If yes, what was your reaction?
Drunk? You was drunk or what? Because I'm like, you're having a normal conversation, but you're not composed. You know what I mean? Just recently. And you know what was the hurtful part about it? Me warned him before you leave. I said, do not drink and drive.
But I wasn't driving though.
That's
I didn't
the
drive.
problem.
Yeah.
But if you did drive,
Wait.
if you did drive, you wouldn't drink. You should not drive.
No,
It's
but
like,
if you tell me, but
I said
you know,
don't drink
I plan to get drunk though.
why?
Because it was the night before and I know I wasn't going to do nothing for like the next 2 or 3 days.
So that's a thing?
Yeah, alright, look. I have a very high tolerance and I know my limits, right? Mark you. So sometimes.
So were you drunk? Because I can't.
I was dying.
about to explain is that when you're having a normal conversation,
But I can't.
but you're not composed. Meaning, you're like feeling for something. You're like, what are you feeling for? Come. See your room here.
Alright, let me tell you. As I said,
when said I bed go roll now?
I wanted to get drunk, maybe not that drunk though, because I was a bit too drunk.
Why would you want to get?
But
I've never seen you looking so confused. Like, why is he talking like this? Like normal, you know, which is not normal. Alright, explain.
Wait,
I want to.
okay, so wait, what are you asking me?
What happened?
So I decided, say, yo, I'm going to get drunk, you see me? But we were there for a while and thing, and closer to the time when we were leaving, I took a shot that was like this big.
Jesus, you could have died, you know?
No, I couldn't. I know how much. Mommy, relax now, mommy. But I took a shot this big of like Hennessy and Appleton.
What?
So it was like, yeah, that was it for the night. Park up, couldn't do
But you
anything
could have
else.
ended up in the hospital. Don't do it again.
What, alcohol poisoning and anything?
Don't do it. Make it be the last. Witness. Make it be the last.
Listen, mommy, as I said, like, I know what I can manage and I know how much I can.
You clearly never managed that.
No. I know that. It was my fault.
That's crazy.
But it was a vibe though.
It was weird. You're the worst.
Your mom's pretty, very beautiful and gorgeous. Heart, Alex.
Thank you, Alex.
Is he a ladies gentleman?
Sometimes.
Is he a tidy person or a messy person? Does he help out around the house?
Sometimes. Not all the time. What? That's all his answer. Sometimes. Yes, he does. Sometimes. Sometimes it's a disclaimer.
What's the worst thing Singh Zima has done?
In life? Jump one gully and chop out the whole of foot. Yeah, and then he's gonna try to convince me that it's not peer pressure.
It was peer pressure.
You are trying to convince me
at
that's
the time.
why made me so upset.
It was.
To jump the gully. First of all, I'm shorter than the normal height.
No, but I was pairing with people who were in like grade 9 and 10 at the time.
Yeah, they were bigger than you and you were
10.
tiny. So you did figure saying it was raining. And him tried to jump a gully and never make it cross.
I did make it cross. I did just slide because of the rain.
Yeah.
If it wasn't raining, this would never exist.
The whole of knee here, so gash right out. You traumatized the entire family. I'm a grandmother, him grandmother. Yeah. I think I still have the video when they were doing the stitches.
Do I clean up my room?
Not much happens in the room and he's very minimalistic. So there's a bed and there's his workstation. There's a little sitting area.
There's not much.
He keeps it that way for a reason. He's smart.
There's not much to clean.
To do.
Not much clean.
Nothing to do. Everything it's just what he needs. Yeah, and I dare not put anything in there.
What is something that you keep having to remind me to do in the house?
Wash out your plate. Wash the plate, including the knife.
The
Because
knife always.
It must be style to cook, use
Burgers.
everything, and then by the when him finally wash them or when him feel like, there's this one little knife that him use to butter the mayonnaise
on
onto
the
the bread.
bread, yeah.
And it's always on the counter somewhere over yonder. He never washes it. Never.
I wash it some.
It's like you wash everything else finally and still leave it. I said, why you don't just wash everything? And I always have to remind him. When I say always, trust me.
All the
Sounds
time.
simple.
Really.
All the time.
Alright, last question. How smart is Singh from 1 to 10?
I would give him a 9.
Where's the 1?
Because if he was that smart, he wouldn't mix anything with the somewhere.
It's not me mix it actually. But,
That done's bad. It don't take a rocket scientist to figure out what would happen to an extra tall shot glass.
It's not even a glass, it was a regular cup. You know the plastic
NSC
cup?
and what?
Appleton. Special.
I don't even want to promote it. And I don't do it. Appleton and NSC, it's wrong. Bad, don't do it.
So that was it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you, mommy, for having the comment.
I'm tired.
You're tired of the video thing.
We're
now?
not coming
Okay.
back on here again.
Not for now. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my mom's channel. Link will be in the description below.
I never know what that mean when I was just watching
All
YouTube.
right, guys.
I didn't know what it mean.
Below the date, above the channel and the subscribe button, you will see a see more. Press the see more.
Okay.
And you will see the list of like the links and the channels or whatever.
Yeah, tell the people that I never know. So, yeah. People in my age group going watch this now. Tell them how to subscribe.
The subscribe button is there below the video over here.
It's red.
It's red.
And when you click on it, it turns gray. Hey, I'm learning.
Anyways, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Next time.
Cover the camera for me.
Okay.